am really enjoying this ride through the park.
Yeah, it's nice. It's a beautiful day. Blue sky, green everything.
Blooming flowers.
Was that Grand Prismatic, you sure? Or is it out there?
You might, I don't know.
I think it's out there.
Yeah, you're right. I don't know what that was then.
Maybe just some mud pools or something. Mud pots.
I don't remember passing mud pots here.
No. We did go to see some mud
Oh,
pots.
yeah, that is the Grand. You're right. That is the Grand Prismatic Springs up there. I don't know what that was back there.
It's the wee Prismatic.
Wee Prismatic.
It's the wee Prismatic. Aye.
It's the wee Prismatic.
Not near as grand as the Grand Prismatic. It's the wee Prismatic. Don't you know, lass?
I like it. No, wow, it's packed. It's worth it. It's worth the wait. It's really cool. You can kind of see it from up here, the orange colors. You can go to the overlook, get a really good view, but we didn't do that last year, did we?
Oh, hike up that hill? No.
We
got hungry or something.
We were tired. We had walked around Old Faithful, I think. Then it was raining. It started raining.
Yeah, raining.
Definitely worth. This was one of my favorite stops because we walked up the river and I got my feet wet in the river. Remember? I got to do that.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Better than a pedicure. Oh. She? Can you see it?
There's the parking lot is really full. That's the one that you have to wait in line. Here it is.
Oh, here's the line.
Yeah, people, and it's hard to get in.
Terribly hard. Yeah, they got the long line going this year too. Look at,
oh my gosh.
Holy moly.
And this isn't even the number of guests that come in here every year.
Pretty river.
Do you recall what the name of the river is?
Wet Lake River.
Oh.
No, I'm just teasing. It's not Wet Lake River.
It's pretty.
It is pretty. I don't want to get some disinformation out there.
Yeah. Don't make people think.
Where's the Wet Lake River at?
I didn't see a sign for it. I don't see it on the map.
I'm bad about making stuff up.
I can say this much. When we first entered Grand Teton National Park, I think you said there was 150 miles to go.
Yeah.
And it's been a quick, we're down to what, 40 something now?
Yeah, I think it's the scenery.
It's been quick because we're having fun. This is enjoyable.
Yeah. It's really nice. The temperature's nice.
Yep. Oh, they're going swimming. Those people are swimming. How fun.
Just bring your swimsuit. I brought mine.
Yes. I don't want to go for a swim right now, but...
No, me neither.
Oh, neat. That is really neat.